welcome back to our channel. This is Suzy, and this is Romeo. Where is Romeo? Where is Romeo? That is Romeo. And the rest of the gang. So, ayaw niya maglipat. Okay, so for today's video, mag-triathlon sila for their second annual triathlon. So that is Romeo. And this is the weather today. It's the weather. Rain or shine. Kailangan nilang tumakbo para sa ikakaganda ng aming mga buhay. Pangarap at pag-asa.
Malaki kasi yung premium.
Million ang ano. So baka ito na yung panahon na baka alam niyo na. Okay. Sigurado talaga sila sa mga buhay nila.
May tumakbo din.
Oo.
Piniro ko nga si Mamedi. Mamedi, may triathlon ulit bukas. Natakbo ka raw. Hindi na mapil. Hihingali na naman ako.
Water safety, Karen Bedoni will help us with that. It's required before we do the canoeing every year. Thanks to Fish and Wildlife and everybody else who brought a canoe today. Thank you so much. First up, everybody always wonders how this part works. For the canoes, we're able to have enough
Always was.
His video.
right here. So come check it out. If there is a problem,
Pag natawin mo yung asawa mo.
you will be canoeing with someone who is not on your team. Okay? That's totally fine. We will start at the top of the parking lot. There is a line straight painted on the ground. We will say 1, 2, 3, go. Everyone will run down the hill together, get into your canoes, and launch at your own level. You will go down the lake, around the buoy, and back, run back up. If you are a team, you need to tag. Okay? Bike follows the blue arrows around the left. So blue bike, we all
Oo.
Hindi mo nakita rin yun.
Ballpen. Ito yung registration. Wala nga lang.
Kapag ano, hawakan mo daw yung shoulder. Tapos ka na magkano, hawak yung teammate mo para mag-start. Since last ka naman sa runway, dahil mo ganyan ang ganyan dyan.
Oo.
Yeah, you can't cheat. You can go really hard with pace. No, like 6 strokes. None of that stuff.
Yung red.
We'll see though. I think it's going to be behind a little bit. So there's still like out there. Yeah. So that's why this morning after I started up
Ang tagal niyang mag-ano ng kanyang signature campaign.
Oh, we're done. It's got
99741. 741. 656 7375 7375 7375.
Yeah. Jack's doing it. You're doing it. Hey, smart choice. I know, man. They said it's me. Yeah, I know.
But they had
See, the thing is, you Well,
Ready ka na?
okay.
So ready na.
Start ng running. And then the bike says blue. And then sa canoe, eto dito. Same last year, ito.
Tap mo muna.
Yung,
Ako na balik dun.
ayan yung canoe.
So dito yung gagawin, ay, anong tawag nito? Kayaking.
So yan guys, ang mga canoe. That's the canoe.
Mula dito, lalangoy nila balikan.
Hindi lalangoy, magkakayak sila.
Ah, kakayak nga pala yung bak. Kala ko lalangoy yun eh. Mula doon hanggang dito. So ayun yung aeroplano natin, sinarada natin doon. Pero kahit maulan, madami pa rin lamok.
Yeah, that's true. Are you ready?
Hindi ko alam kung ano. Kat ng katawan ko kahapon pa. Ganda ng mga bulaklak.
Tama kaya yung mga desisyon niyo sa buhay? Yung mga kalaban, yung mga BLM.
Alam mo, mga kalaban namin ang haba ng mga bias. Limang akbang ko, isang akbang lang. Wala na, ano kaya tayo
Si
doon?
Mike, hindi pa siya dumarating. Dumating na si Mike, ano?
Parang lumalakas pa yung ulan.
Tapos parang ano din sa Romeo, yung parang magaan din yung katawan ni Mike, boy. Parang isa ganyan.
Parang si Long Leg.
Daddy long leg.
Ang haba ng bias eh.
Sino nga ulit yung Olympian na first palagi yung gold medalist?
Si Yolo? Ay, hindi.
Sa
Si...
running.
Yolo. Ba, tumbling siya na. Nagaganon-ganon na ba takbo?
Oh, Usain Bolt ba? Parang ganyan.
Ang haba ng bias eh. Sila kaya lang maulan. So mag-i-start sila doon banda. Bibilang sila. Then start. Yan! Wow! 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 Nung last year kasi sila yung nag-champion. Sila Will. Woo! Oo. Nahilimik ko na ito. Ay, isa lang pala yung isa. Oo.
So, magpapanalo na ba kay Sir Aljon? Color pink. Ito ang Schwinn Sidewinder. Color pink pa.
So guys,
Ano masasabi mo?
ito pangalawang taon namin dito sa triathlon. Hindi ko alam kung makakarating ako dito mamaya. Kaya guys, samahan nyo kami sa kalokohan na to.
Anong masasabi mo, sir, sa bike mo na to?
Maganda siya, ganda si Sir Jan.
Matulit to.
Matulis.
Pa lang nito.
Ano si Jan? Jesang Jesa.
Parang yung iba talaga yung ano niya, takbo niya dyan.
Pag ganun niya. Pag ganyan pababa, sir. Kasi... O, diba? Pag pumadyak ka yung tuhod mo, andito na. Ito ang gagamitin ni sir.
Yung break niya doon.
Pero maulan, gatay. Tuloy kaya ako.
Tuloy daw sa Romeo.
Ha?
Basta walang kita.
Parang masaya si sir sa bike niya na yun.
Hindi yung nasa nasa
Mag-register tayo sa loob. Sir Aljon, yung ano, binabain niya na bike. Go sir, nag-aantay na yung binabain mo na bike.
Yan! Roger!
Woohoo! Go, go, go! Go!
Wait, di ba?
Woohoo!
Blue ha, blue.
So,
Ka naman tumakbo, sir.
Are you ready?
ready na ako pero kailangan nakasunod siya. Sasakyan. Hindi na ako makatakbo, bitin na lang ako. Sasakyan.
Ano mo na, ibigay mo na yung cellphone ni Ma'am Suzy. Tawag ka na lang, sir.
I can just see myself getting that tired.
I think there's the 3.
Goal is to run the whole thing and I'm pretty sure
So, andyan na sila.
There.
Parang, so, kailangan nakaganyan na yung ano.
Tapos isa dyan si Aljun, no?
Hindi lang, wag lang siyang madapa. I mean, madapa, okay lang. Kahit
So, mag-i-start dun sa may pula, di ba?
Oh, there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5.
It will probably be Ross.
Arjun ba yun na?
Parang si Aljun.
Itim yung ano, suot.
Iba yung kapangyarihan ng pink. Iba yung kapangyarihan ng pink bike.
Oy, parang ano yan? Yung nakapagpanalo yung bike na Maria pala.
Hindi si ano. Si Peter. Peter?
you guys are blocking their entrance.
Oh.
Mikey gotta meet up there, but this is Ross's.
Oh, Philan. Woohoo!
Siya yung last, di ba?
Oh. Woohoo!
Siya yung last kanina, no? Kaya pala sabi niya, ay,
Yay! Woohoo!
last si Arjun.
Last si Aljun.
On a child's bike?
It's with the pink bike. Woohoo! With Wala na, di na ni mo kaya.
Ako kaning erang ko anon, tipasun. Ako ano sa akin. Yay!
Ang kaning isa naka-training man ni Bill, mang Woohoo! Ako sug kayong anak ni Martin. Ha? Woohoo! Now Romeo is just walking.
Romeo is just walking. No one's behind him. Sino pagod?
Alexi, yes. Romeo's just chilling. And there's 2 more at the back.
What, Karen?
Woohoo! Yay! He did not collapse. Woohoo!
Go, Romeo! Come on, we got the first place!
Ano masasabi mo sa buhay mo ngayon?
So tired, guys.
You came
Gonna be die.
Ano pa? How was your experience?
Okay, next. Go lay in the backseat of your car.
At least you're not the last one. Woohoo! Yay! Woohoo! Finish! Yay! Ay.
You first?
Yeah, it was quite a run. I had fun running. Yeah, and this reminded me of my days. So that's fun.
So, ano masasabi mo?
Ako yung nagutom. Ako yung kakain.
Ano to?
Thai noodles.
Kaya noodles kain.
If you guys could all give it up for Janessa Miller, this is her breakfast. We worked so hard for our community to give back, and this was born out of her desire to give back and strengthen us in mind, body, and soul. So I'm grateful for her and all that she's done, and this is just such a fun event. So we're going to do our top 3. We're going to start with the women's individual, then we do men's individual, and then teams. Okay? So for the women's individual, 3rd place goes to Brooke. Actually, we're coming in at 1 hour, 20 minutes, and 42 seconds.
Hindi, yung ano, yung
All
parang
right,
drum
for the
nila.
men's category,
Naked
we
drum.
actually only had 2 individual participants. They were also the best. So great job to them. They definitely pushed each other. In 2nd place, we've got Ben Fisher. Ben, your time was 1 hour, 9 minutes on the dot. First place for Ben goes to Rob Kinsey. First place overall finisher at 1 hour, 8 minutes, and 32 seconds. All right, and now for our teams. It's always so fun to have the teams do it. I know a lot lot of us stuff far outside our comfort zone to do the legs that we wind up with. So, number 3, third place finisher goes to number 12.
You can do it. You can do it.
Are you in the house?
Yes. Alright.
1 hour, 2 minutes, and 32 seconds. And in first place, a team I cannot pronounce.
O, kumuha ka ng t-shirt mo.
Pinipenta ko yan.
Alright, so one more announcement. All participants, please make sure you grab a shirt. There are 3 participating today. If there's leftovers, I will be able to grab them too. Thank you. Make sure you grab a shirt.
Pero
Parang malaki lang.
small na to.
Parang malaki lang.
Large nga siya.
Medium yung sa'yo.
Medium akin. Sa'yo yung medium.
Ay,
Suotin mo na lang to.
okay.
So ito yung nakuha ni Susie. Kasi tumakbo siya.
Ah, okay.
So ayun, dito na. Dito na tayo magkakasalabat.
Okay.